Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 23rd, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the pound yen, I definitely think this is the end of a wave 3. If that's the case, then we are most likely now in a wave 4, which is going to be likely a three-way pattern, probably down to at least a 50% fib retracement before it makes another attempt up for the wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, this first push down is definitely, I believe, a wave A. I think that we are very likely already in the wave B, and I think eventually it will make another push down for a wave C. So let's keep on going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think the wave A ends right here at that spike. I think this is an A of B, this is a B of B, and I think we are very, very likely in a wave C of wave B, which a wave B should be a correction to the wave A. So let's keep going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, definitely a pretty strong push down this morning from the PMI this morning for the pound, but we have no breaker structure, no lower high, no reason at all on any time frame to think that the trend has turned back down. Actually, on the higher time frames, I'm actually still very confident that the trend is up and that we should still be looking for longs. Going down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up right here, which even though this is a very strong push down, I would be very cautious about going short. I mean, to me, it could even be like a expanding flat because this looks like impulsive. This looks like kind of corrective, like a wave B. This looks like almost a wave C. Almost looks like an expanding correction. So if we do get a good Fibonacci bounce, especially if we get a break of structure to the upside like that, then that is exactly what I would be looking for the continuation of the uptrend. Otherwise, as long as it does not break structure to the downside, I'm definitely only looking for longs. If it does decide that this is only a wave A, then that's actually fine too, because that would give us a much clearer entry for an A, a B, and a C correction for the continuation of the uptrend. Either way, as long as it doesn't break structure, I'm definitely still waiting patiently for long opportunities. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.